consolation. I just need contemplation. Oh, I'm not so systematic. It's just that I'm an addict for your love. Nothing I wanna hold you. I never ever should have told you you're my only girl.
The hell, that's my song, guys. It's playing at Nona's, my flea market song.
I'm not the only one that holds you. I never ever should have told you you're my only world. Just think how long I've known you. It's wrong for me to
Guys, my group mates are still not here. So, nag-romanticize lang ako ng out for right now.
losing. Can't you see? I'm not the only one that holds you. I never ever should have told you you're my only girl. I'm not the only one that holds you. I never ever should have told you you're my only girl.
Grabe, it's 4:06. Where are these people? Still walking. Naikot ko na yung whole BGC, guys. And my group mates are still not here. Ako na lang kayo mag-dine-in mag-isa, no? Napanood nyo to, guys. Grabe kayo. Early bird ako, panis kayo. This is me waiting for my group mates. It's 4:28 p.m. Let's wait for them. Latecomers! Kanina pa ako
Oy, nauna ka.
Nauna kami. Latecomer. Si 30, grabe. Hiding 30.
Hey guys, so vlog takeover. We're waiting for 30. Habang hinihintay si 30. Look at that, bro.
Ginamit pa kami ni 30 para makapag-shopping
So,
siya.
hanap na si 30. Yan daw. Palit ka ng damit, lahat ng boys naka-white. Really?
Hindi ako marunong mag-jeep. Hindi ako marunong mag-comment.
Sabi ko kung mag-jeep ako, magta-tricycle pa ako.
Ang ganda ng jacket! Oh my god! Ooh, look at this, bro! Ang ganda!
It's Saturday and it's 4:42 p.m. We're gonna eat at Parmigiano. Answer for the question 1.
Ayun. Mag-timelapse to ni Jazz. Waze yun ni Waze.
Pareho sa'yo may life, right?
You think I'm crazy, but I'm high all the time.
Hindi ko alam saan kayo pupunta. Tayo pupunta? Sa High Street daw kayo pupunta para sa? Oh, so, tara, kumain. Ay, saan ba?
Alay, dilong na to.
Pani ka? Pani?
The young, and you'll become the same if you stay.
Hindi lang namin sinasabi, iwan ka na namin dito.
Naghanap kami ng movie. Then makapagla. Wala lang, wala akong nakita ng movie.
Meron ako nakita. Sabi ko magkain, hindi na ako
Hunting.
nagpapabad. Tapos, sa kanila ako maligaw.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Guys, we have a mic now! Kahit rinig nyo naman talaga, mag-i-interview tayo ng mga... mag-i-interview tayo ng mga good yung mga fits nila for today. We're gonna upload it on TikTok.
After mag-interview ng may mga magandang fit check, syempre yung gwapo at magaganda din.
Ito, may hidden agenda, guys.
Highest love, out of its storm, out of its storm, out of its storm.
We went to High Street just to get a photo booth. Bro is so dedicated to get his color hunt of the day. dedicated. Our Koreaboo photographer. I want headband. We just finished taking our
Kasama to sa aking color hunt.
Dito, tapat yung dito.
dedicated. Okay, let's go. Let's eat. I'm so thirsty.
Sometimes it gets to me, the things people do. Does it hurt to see all the things they put you through? Should I stay here and live like this? And have to tell my kids about the things that they have missed?
Uhaw na show.
Thirsty.
Why can't I talk to you just like I've always done? Are you alone?
Hi guys. We're at Italianis right now. And they are discussing about what we are going to order.
Paalala niyo yung color hunt ko ah.
Ito si Color Hunt Boy eh.
So, hey guys. So, ngayon, pinatayo ko lang muna kayo. So guys, namili na sila ng pagkain and ako hindi pa. So right now, dito muna tayo. Ano sa inyo?
Cosmopolitan ako.
Ha? PM? Uy, gagi kayo, may meeting tayo ah.
Uy, may posting ako ngayon.
Ng...
Cup. Mag-alarm nga ako 7 p.m.
Okay, so guys, sorry for that. Sobrang tagal. So makita ko yung mga pictures. Look, so cute.
Has it become too hard to admit the truth? You hear it every day. This world's become so strange. Don't be afraid to say
Hungry, civic phonology.
Jam.
Damn, I can make that, bro.
to think of what will be. It's just too much for me. Can't take it anymore. What are we fighting for? No peace.
Grabe guys, iniwan nila ako. They have a meeting. And I have no one to yap with. I'm just yapping to the camera. Okay guys, we're gonna guess the bill. Here's the bill. What's your guess?
2.5, around 3,000 pesos.
Tatasan ko ng onte, 3-1.
3-7.
My guess is, ano sa'yo?
3-7.
Siguro I'll go for 3-5.
I have another guess, 4K.
Okay ha? Kung sino yung closest, siya yung magbabayad. Reveal it, reveal it. We're now leaving, guys. Thank you. So, we're gonna share the creepy stories around
Distorted yung mukha.
Nakahid kasi yan eh.
Kaso lang
It's
wala
now connected, guys.
Kung ka somewhere ng ano.
Oh, tsaka kung na-aksidente kayo,
walang
wala.
insurance or
Oh,
anything.
tsaka pwede kanyang takbuhan.
Like, ang usapan niyo strangers lang kayo.
Oh, my grabe. Parang may hugot yun ah. Parang iba na yung strangers lang kayo. What is this? Is this podcast? Podcast of Charles?
Palit na sa dog show dito.
Okay guys. Grabe. May youngster na dito. Akala ko band na sila dito guys. Ay grabe. Eksena si kuya. Ano ba yan? Game na.
You think I'm crazy, but I'm high all the time. And every day I wake, my life's on the line. You know I've gotta keep on moving. There are beasts untamed who will eat the young.
Guys, my camera is only in 4%. We still haven't filmed an outro for this. Oh no, it's 3% now. Grabe, 1% remaining.